Hi guys, welcome back again to another section of Uncle Sam online tutorial. In today's class we'll be talking about percentages. So let's get started. Now what is percentage? A percentage is a fraction written in a term with 100 as a denominator. So it's just a fraction, nothing more. The only difference here is that the denominator is made to be 100. Percent actually means per 100, or for every 100, or out of every 100. Let's take an instance. For example, if I have a over 100, this is what percentage actually means. So it can be represented like this, but a much better way to represent it is with this sign. Yes, this is a percentage sign. I'm sure you already know what this means. Okay, so I can choose to represent percentage like this, or I can represent it the normal way that it's supposed to be represented, something like this. A over 100 is same thing as what? A percent. So this is a better way to represent the percentage sign. Okay, so as you can see here, the only difference from normal fraction is that in percentage 100 must always be the denominator. So let's continue. So we use the symbol percent. We use this symbol to denote percent. So instead of saying a over 100, we may say a percent. So when we say something like 70% of a bag of oranges is bad, we mean that 70 out of every 100 are bad. So 70% means that 70 out of what every 100 is bad. That's what it basically means. So let's try and solve some simple problem. I have this fraction 2 over 5. And I want to convert it to percentage. Remember what I said earlier. Percentage simply means we want the denominator to be 100. So, but in the process of doing that, what do we have to do? So since we want to make this to be in percentage form, I can use this simple method. Since I want to change the denominator to be 100, I'll think of a number I'll use to multiply 5 to give me 100. So it turns out that 5 times 20 will give me what? 100. So what I'm going to do is I'll use 20 to multiply both the numerator and what? The denominator. Okay, so once I do that, 2 times 20 is going to give me 40, and 5 times 20 will give me what? 100. So remember, now the denominator is now 100 and we have achieved our goal. But we can't leave it this way. What do we need to do? We must express it in terms of what? The percentage sign. So how do we express 40 over 100 in terms of percentage? Simple. It is equivalent to what? 40, then put your sign. Percent. Yep. 40%. So this is how to solve this kind of problem. Let's take one more example. Yeah, because this is just an introductory class. Let's take one more example. So for this example I have here, asked what percentage of an hour is 15 minutes? 15 minutes. What percentage of an hour is 15 minutes? Same thing. 15 minutes is same thing as 15 all over what? How many minutes makes 1 hour? It's 60. So this is it. 15 over what? 60. So what percentage of this makes up 1 hour? Well, the first thing I will need to do here is I like reducing stuff. So let me try and reduce this. So let's try and reduce 15 over 60. What will it give us? I can use 15 to divide. This will give me 15 divided itself is 1. 15 divided 60 is what? 4. So remember our normal drill. Now find what will you 4 times what will give us 100, because the whole idea of percentage is to turn the denominator to be what? 100, and from there we now express it in terms of percentage. So 4 times 25 will give us what? 100. So I'll use 25 to multiply the numerator and also what? The denominator. So let's do that. 1 times 25 will give us what? 25. And 4 times 25 will give us what? 100. You see that we are back to base, which is having the denominator as 100. So now, a better way to express it, like we always do, is just to change this 25 over 100 to become 25, then you put the sign, a percentage sign. And that is it. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. See you. Bye.